I got to tell you how excited I am to be here today, and I'm delighted to be here for the launch of this project today. And the way we're going to do that, to build more houses, more homes, more places to live, is to do it in transit-friendly, sustainable, and walkable communities, which is exactly what City Centre Pickering will be. With growth in mind, there's a need for a true city centre more than ever. Pickering has never had this, but developments like City Centre and the investments and the renewal of our civic facilities with a new performing arts center, a new senior and youth center, and a new library on the Esplanade will finally get a true downtown. The community is going to be vibrant, walkable, and will be a new heart of the city. The new public park will connect the new facilities with the shopping center, and as I indicated in the video, I want our mall not only to survive, but to thrive, and having these new residents is fantastic. Residents will have access to a variety of transit options, the 401, the Pickering GO station, and the Pickering's pedestrian bridge, which, here's a fun fact, folks, it's the world's largest covered pedestrian bridge from Pickering City Centre to the GO train. If you don't believe me, check with Angela Pucci right there and Guinness Book of World Records for that information. Center Court to bring this community to life. The city needs housing to accommodate the massive population growth, and this type of urban development is exactly what we need in our new downtown. The city center adds on to a variety of housing options that are available in Pickering, and my friends, that's what people want, is choice in housing. High-rise developments will be a great opportunity for first-time buyers to enter the market and for people looking to incredible places to live and also to downsize but still live in Pickering. I can tell you folks, I enjoyed working with Center Court. I'm so excited about this project. I'm excited about being mayor and leading this fine city. And I want to thank everyone.